Ready to secure your dream job in software testing? In this video, I'll guide you through how to impress in QA interviews by showcasing your skills, handling tricky questions, and discussing your project experiences. Stay tuned until the end for all my top tips on how to make yourself the standout candidate every hiring manager wants to hire. Career and personal fit. In this section, I'll guide you on how to effectively answer key questions that will showcase your career and personal fit for a role. Here's how you can craft compelling responses. Why should I hire you? Highlight your passion for QA and how your unique combination of skills and experience makes you an excellent fit for the role. Showcase your strengths confidently to demonstrate why you're the best candidate. What did you do in your last project? Discuss key projects that showcase your skills. Focus on your role, responsibilities, tools used, and outcomes. Be honest about your contributions and any extra responsibilities you took on. How do you prioritize when you have many tasks? Share your approach to managing multiple projects. Whether you're a strict scheduler or prefer flexibility, it's crucial to manage your time effectively. Reflect on past experiences to illustrate your ability to prioritize tasks. Tell me about your most difficult project. Discuss a challenging project where you had to overcome significant obstacles. Explain the complexities, your strategies to resolve them, and what you learned. This is an opportunity to show your problem-solving skills and dedication. Tell me about a time you missed a bug. Be honest about a mistake you made, explaining how you identified and resolved the issue and what you learned. Discuss the steps you took to prevent similar oversights in the future. What are some goals you have for your career? Discuss your career aspirations within QA, such as advancing to a leadership position, gaining expertise in a specific area, or contributing to innovative projects. What are important characteristics for leaders in QA? Reflect on the qualities you value in QA leadership, such as strong communication, active listening, honesty, psychological safety, empowerment, and vision. Discuss the type of environment that helps you thrive. Technical knowledge and processes. If you're aiming for a career in quality assurance, QA, understanding core concepts is essential. Today, I'll guide you through some crucial questions that will sharpen your QA skills and help you stand out. What is a test plan? And what should it include? A test plan outlines the testing strategy, objectives, resources, and schedule. It should include the scope, approach, required resources, timelines, risks, and their mitigations. What is a test strategy, and how does it differ from a test plan? A test strategy outlines the general approach and goals for testing throughout the project, whereas a test plan details specific tests, including the scope and execution for individual phases. What is an automation test plan? An automation test plan details the strategy for automating tests, including design, execution, defect management, and reporting processes. What is a use case? A use case defines a specific user interaction with the system, ensuring that the system responds correctly to various user actions. What is the difference between severity and priority? Severity refers to the impact of a bug on system functionality, while priority determines the urgency of fixing the bug. High severity doesn't always mean high priority, and vice versa. What is the difference between assert and verify commands in test automation? Assert stops test execution if a condition fails, while verify continues to execute subsequent steps even if the condition fails. What is the difference between quality assurance, quality control, and testing? Quality assurance, in QA, involves planning and setting quality standards. Quality control, QC, focuses on identifying defects in the final product, and testing involves executing tests to find bugs. QA integration in development phases. When exploring the nuances of software development and quality assurance, It's crucial to understand how to address specific questions related to the process. A good answer should be clear, concise, and provide practical insight into how these concepts interrelate. When should QA start in the development process? QA should be involved from the earliest stages of the software development process. Early QA involvement helps identify potential issues before they become bigger problems, contributing to smoother project development. What is the Software Development Lifecycle, SDLC? The SDLC is a structured approach to software development, covering phases such as requirements gathering, system design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. What is the Software Testing Lifecycle, STLC? The STLC focuses on the testing aspect of the SDLC, involving stages like requirements, analysis, test planning, test case design, environment setup, test execution, test cycle closure, and reporting. Practical application and problem solving. In the coming minutes, I'll provide you with guidance on how to effectively answer key questions about managing production bugs, the role of QA teams, and various testing methods. Should QA teams handle production issues? Yes, QA teams should assist in resolving production issues. By writing test cases, reviewing data, and identifying errors, QA helps minimize similar problems in future releases. How would you approach testing a malfunctioning coffee machine? This question tests your problem-solving skills and creativity. Think outside the box and describe how you would systematically test the coffee machine to identify the problem. What are some of the different types of testing you are familiar with? Types of testing include regression testing, functional testing, load testing, integration testing, unit testing, black box testing, white box testing, and cross-browser testing. What are the advantages of manual testing over automated testing? Manual testing is often more cost-effective for short-term projects and allows for a human-centric approach, especially in UI testing. It's ideal for testing scenarios that might be difficult to automate. What do you think is the most important test metric, and why? The importance of a test metric depends on the testing goals. Metrics like bugs per test are widely applicable and provide valuable insights. The T2Q, time to quality metric, is also noteworthy for measuring testing efficiency. What does a good test case look like? A good test case is clear, concise, and covers all possible scenarios. It should specify the test title, objective, preconditions, steps, expected results, and post-conditions. Test case creation example. Now, I will walk you through the process of creating a test case using a real-world example. Could you please create a test case for a portable phone charger? Keep it straightforward and focus on these key components of a test case: title, description, preconditions, assumptions, test steps, and expected result. Here's an example. Title: verify the phone charger successfully charges a smartphone. Description: the phone charger should be able to charge a smartphone when connected. Preconditions: the phone charger must be fully charged or connected to a power source, and the smartphone battery must be depleted. Assumptions: the smartphone's charging port is functional, and the charger is compatible with the smartphone. Test steps: first, connect the phone charger to a power outlet or ensure it has sufficient charge. Second, plug the charger into the smartphone's charging port. Third, observe the smartphone to check if it starts charging. Fourth, monitor the smartphone's battery percentage to confirm it increases. Expected result: the smartphone battery should begin to charge, with the battery percentage visibly increasing on the device. Today we discussed answers to many interview questions you might encounter to help you succeed in your interviews. Remember, showcasing your skills confidently, handling tricky questions with grace, and demonstrating your project experiences are key to standing out. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your QA career. If you like this video, be sure to check out our next ones.